So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make your very own Fortnite logo either on iOS and Android. So first, in your default browser, search for Fortnite backgrounds. After that you've searched it, go ahead to images and then scroll down on any Fortnite background you like and click it. So I kinda like this one. So in Android you just take a screenshot, whereas in iOS you just click the photo firmly and click on to add photos. After that, just click on to the search bar and type in Fortnite skins PNG. So right here you'll see a lot of skins, so you can choose any one of them that you like. So there are a lot of skins over here. So my signature skin is the Chance skin. So I'm just gonna search Fortnite Chance skin PNG. And I'm gonna click the first one that is transparent. And I'm gonna hold on to the picture and click on add photos. After that, when I got the picture saved, I'm going to go to PicsArt. It's an app that has the link in the description below. You can download. And I'm going to click on our background. After that, I'm going to click on to tools and click on to crop. And then I'm going to click square and then hit apply. So now that I've done the squaring, so I'm going to click on to effects. Then I want to scroll down all the way to pop art and I'm going to click on color grading. Then in color 1, my skin is green, so I'm going to select bright green in color 1. And then after clicking the tick mark, I'm in color 2, I'm going to choose the same green but a darker version. So it kind of looks nice from bright to dark. So after that, make sure your fade is on 0 and make sure you hit apply. Then you're gonna go all the way to the stickers and search in the top white circle. Click on any simple circle to make it appear in your image. So I got one right there, so I'm gonna enlarge it and try to align it in the middle. Make sure your white circle is aligned in the very middle because this is an important part of your logo. And then make sure you can either small it out or enlarge it. Then after that, what I'm going to go is I'm going to in the toolbar click on shadow. And then after that, make sure your blur is on 100 and your opacity is also on 100. Then go to positioning and make sure your horizontal is on 10. And then click on apply. Now that the circle is here, I'm going to click on to add photo in the toolbar. I'm going to select my green Chance skin and click on add. Then enlarge the skin and make sure it fits inside the circle. It can even be outside and make it look better. So just like how I'm doing, enlarging it and keep it in the bottom a little bit. So just make sure you align it properly in the middle. Also keep it a little in the bottom. Then click apply. After that, you're all done, so click next. There's an ad here, so just close it and then click on to save image. Then click on download image and you can see saved photos is here. So if you go to your photos or gallery in your Android, you can see your image is over here. Now you're gonna go all the way to Fonto. It's an app, you can download it, it's in the description. It's right here, so you're gonna open it and click on the camera icon, then click on photo library. Then click on the image you just edited. Also click on done. And then click anywhere to add the text. After that, go to fonts and then go to the L section in the alphabet. Then after that, click on Luckiest Guy font. That's the font you need. So you guys can type in your any name you want, like your channel name. I'm gonna type in Nightlocks as it's my channel name. Then after that, I'm gonna click done. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and click on style, then click on text. Then I'm gonna click on create a color panel, and then if you have a red screen, you go to the red aisle. I have a green screen, I'm gonna go to the green aisle. So right there is the green aisle. I'm just scrolling towards it. These are all the slots, by the way, to fill the colors in. So in the first slot, I'm gonna fill the lightest shade of green. Second is a darker, and then it gets darker like that. So after that, I'm just gonna make sure my stroke is 0, and then you go ahead to the stroke section. Make sure that is 0 too to add the outline. And then after that, you're gonna go to the background section, but in the background section, it's your choice if you want to add the background or not. So after that, you just click on done, and I'm gonna reposition the image. Click on style, and then I really want to add the background. It's your choice to do it, but I'm gonna add the background. So if you even want to remove the darker colors, you can in the text, like I'm removing the darker colors right now. So my L and E becomes lighter. Now I'm gonna go to the background section in the style. So just reposition your whole image, and then now I'm in the style going to the background section, and I'm gonna add the black background. After that, what you're going to do is move and position the logo in the center and mostly in the bottom, but in the middle, make sure it's in the middle. So I'm gonna just move it up a little bit in the middle, and then you're gonna click on the save button, and then after that, click on save image, and then it's gonna say save successfully. So after that, you're gonna go back to your home screen and go to photos or gallery in your Android, and then there it is, your logo has been saved. As you can see, there is your full stroke Nightlocks text with your background, and you'll see shadows in the back. So that is the end of the video, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.